Hey there. If you're looking to dive into the world of machine learning, then you need to hear about MLOps. MLOps, or Machine Learning Operations, is all about managing and deploying machine learning models in production environments. And right now there's a huge demand for skilled MLOps professionals. So why should you take an MLOps training course? Let's break it down. First off, you'll get a comprehensive understanding of MLOps principles. You'll learn everything from model deployment to pipeline automation, and from monitoring to maintenance. This knowledge is crucial for handling the complexities of real-world ML models. Next, these courses offer hands-on experience with industry-standard tools. You'll get to work with Docker, Kubernetes, MLflow, and Apache Airflow, gaining practical skills in automating workflows and managing model lifecycles. These tools are essential for reliable and scalable deployments. Now, let's talk career opportunities. Completing an MLOps course can significantly boost your career prospects. Companies are on the lookout for professionals who can bridge the gap between data science and operations. Roles like MLOps Engineer, Machine Learning Engineer, or DevOps Engineer could be just around the corner for you. Effective MLOps practices also lead to better model performance and reliability. You'll learn how to implement robust monitoring systems and manage model drift. This ensures your models perform well over time, adapting to new data and maintaining their reliability. Automation is another big win. MLOps training emphasizes the importance of automating workflows. You'll design and implement automated pipelines, speeding up development and enhancing consistency. Plus, you'll stay ahead of industry trends. The MLOps field is always evolving. A training course keeps you updated with the latest technologies and best practices, helping you stay competitive. And don't forget the networking opportunities. Many courses connect you with industry professionals and peers, providing valuable insights and job opportunities. Building a strong network is crucial for career growth. Finally, you often receive a certification upon completion. This certification validates your skills and knowledge, enhancing your resume and demonstrating your expertise to potential employers. In conclusion, enrolling in an MLOps training course offers numerous benefits, from a comprehensive understanding of MLOps principles to improved career prospects and model performance. So, if you're serious about a career in machine learning, investing in an MLOps course is a smart move. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and machine learning. Catch you next time.